A CPN, also known as a credit privacy number or credit profile number, is a 9-digit identification number used as an alternative to a Social Security number, SSN, when applying for credit. The purpose of a CPN is to provide a measure of privacy and protection to individuals who are concerned about identity theft or who have a poor credit history. Using a CPN when applying for an apartment has several benefits, including allowing individuals to keep their SSN private, separating personal and business credit, and creating a clean slate for those with a negative credit history. Understanding your credit report and score. Before applying for an apartment, it is important to check your credit report and score to ensure accuracy and identify any potential issues that may affect your application. A credit report contains information about your credit history, such as payment history, outstanding debts, and any collections or bankruptcies. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness and is calculated based on the information in your credit report. How to obtain a free credit report and score. Consumers are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. You can obtain your free credit report by visiting Annual Credit Report. You can also purchase your credit score from the credit bureaus or through a credit monitoring service. Factors affecting your credit score. Your credit score is influenced by several factors. 1. Payment history. 2. Credit utilization. 3. Length of credit history. 4. Types of credit accounts. 5. Outstanding debts. It's important to understand these factors and take steps to improve your credit score if necessary. A good credit score can increase your chances of getting approved for an apartment. List of necessary documents for apartment application with CPN. When applying for an apartment, you will typically need to provide several pieces of documentation, including proof of income, identification, and employment. Some common documents required for an apartment application include 1. Pay stubs or proof of income. 2. Driver's license or other forms of identification. 3. Social Security number, or CPN. 4. Employment verification, letter from employer, pay stubs, or W-2 form. 5. Bank statements. 6. Previous landlord references. When presenting your CPN on the apartment application, include it in place of your Social Security number. You may also be asked to provide proof of the CPN, such as a letter from the company that issued it. It's important to be honest and transparent about using a CPN when filling out the application. Failing to disclose this information can result in negative consequences. Applying for the apartment with CPN. 1. Completing the application process. 2. Understanding the application review process. 3. Following up after the application has been submitted. 4. Understanding the importance of a good rental history.